What was that? This one. Ah. I just ordered Tesla Model Y 2025. Something that I did not expect myself to do, but I'm so done with the Subaru and the unreliable car history that I have. So let's go electric. So we will test drive the Model Y. I ordered it in white with white interior, which is the kind I want. This one is obviously in white and it has the 20-inch wheels. It's so very quiet. Now we turn on the ambient light. Look. It actually came down to the Hyundai Kona 2023 or this one. And I've been test driving this before. A couple of months ago I gave my first impression and I was not really that impressed, and I did not buy into the hype that time. But now that the launch series is done and the price dropped, I went for this long-range all-wheel drive version. I got 1 year free supercharging because I used the referral code here in Norway. It does not give any discount as of now other than the 1 year free supercharge. Does though give a 0% interest and 3.36 effective interest a month for the first 3 years, which is one of the reasons why Tesla sells a lot Model Y 2025 issue compared to most other brands here in Norway. Tesla did it again, obviously, because they managed to sell a bestseller in Norway. The only regret I have is that we are not going to have that much pleasure of it if this car will be arriving next month. I like the pearl white. We just arrived at the beach and it's nice to drive the Tesla. The only thing I don't like about it is the autopilot, which is quite annoying, to be honest. The reason why the autopilot is quite annoying is it just feels like it's not like fully grown yet. I woke up 9:30 to deliver the Tesla Model Y. After that, I have just been cleaning our camping gear. It's more messy in the storage locker now than it was before due to the excessive amount of camping gear we prepared just for one night. And now I'm preparing the Subaru for listing. I'm going to put it up for sale. Sad news, I did not get a loan for the Tesla. So the thing about me and cars, I really hate browsing for cars. I've been spending now for the last 2 days of my vacation just browsing for cars. And I came down to 3 sorts, and they're all sister cars. The Volkswagen E-Up, Skoda Citigo, the Seat Me electric, and all those 3 they resembles the same. Volkswagen, of course, means it has a little bit more kind of premium feels, but other than that, they're all equally same. It's just that Volkswagen is a little bit more expensive just because of the brand. I've been driving a Mercedes E-Class now for the last couple of days. It's actually quite comfortable. It's a E220 2010 model, quite comfortable. What can I say? It's my father's car. Now I'm going to get my old Subaru, which at least has a decent air conditioning. How do I look? Does it suit me?
Not really.
Thank you. If I don't get any inquiry by tomorrow or whatever, then I will make the final decision to just trade it in. Ja. Nei, jeg glemte det. Sånn, har vi tatt igjen den. Do you have everything we need for tomorrow's final road trip with the Subaru?
Don't want to be final.
Countdown. There's actually one thing I want to buy, and that is Philadelphia cheese. There's so many of them now. Not sponsored by the way. Tack. We can eat bread for our Sudan. Great plan. I was going to surprise you with this, but now. Way to spoil the surprise. What was that? What did you say?
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Jeffrey Dahmer. Yeah, definitely.
Did you watch that movie? No?
Yeah.
The whole?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I watched also the documentary.
How much is this? Dude?
Super. There is actually another car I just found, which is not near where the budget is, but long term it has more value for the money. This was harder to pull out than I thought. I'm currently looking for cars now. I inquired the car I was interested in, which was $249, but they only wanted to take $10K for the car, which is not ideal for me. I'm taking at least 30, and there's a couple of other cars that matches the one that I was interested in, but it's a long drive. Right? Yep. Hi. Okay, so that was this car. And I feel like this car is a little bit overpriced because this one does not have ventilated seat, but it has a sunroof. I already know they can give me 30,000 for 30 or 35,000 for my car. And also, oh. Okay, so after 3 hours, finally made a deal with this one. It's actually a better deal than that I got on paper because I pushed down additional 5, so that will be a total of 50,000 I managed to negotiate down on a 2023 model Hyundai Kona, which is not bad. The resale value for that next year would be quite minimal if I decide to sell it, because those cars are worth around 300K. So I'm thinking about, I would get a similar price that I gave for it right now next year. The loss of the Subaru is not as bad as I thought. It's just 20K, but that's expected after everything that car has been through. Takk for hånden.
I like måte.
Hyundai. Not sponsored, by the way. Would love to hear from Hyundai. It feels so much more smooth driving this compared to the Subaru. Never going to get used to that sound. Sounds ridiculous. I just locked the car with the app. It's so cool. And the Hyundai, it looks nice in black. I like it a lot.